Horses out, be cool, pass to begin, moving a party outside, don't explain, Rembois, then followed by Flowing Cash, Heartbreak Kid comes next, Spellbinder, Tebaksi, Mangaro, Danori inside, is number 3, Substantial, The Real Thing, and Biba. Maria trails the field, into the turn they go, don't explain, by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Heartbreak Kid, Be Cool in third. Moving up now in fourth, Spellbinder, then alongside comes Rembois. Moving up on the outside now is entry number 12, Mangaro, Danori inside, Substantial, Flowing Cash, Tebaksi, The Real Thing. And nearing the last 800, and it's still Don't Explain by a length. Heartbreak Kid is Spellbinder. Now moving up by Drell to take second. Be Cool alongside, and it's still Don't Explain by a length and a half. Is Spellbinder now trying to get closer on the outside. Be Cool remains in third as they come down at the last 200. Don't Explain, the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Is Spellbinder remains in second. Be Cool in third. Last 100 meters. We have Don't Explain by about 4 lengths over Spellbinder. And finally, Don't Explain, Spellbinder. Then comes Be Cool, Tebaksi, Mangaro, Heartbreak Kid. Yun.